Hello, my name's Caleb Carter, and today we're looking at part number TPU5135. This is your bolt-on stake pocket. Let's check it out. So this is part number TPU5135. This is your bolt-on stake pocket. So it's real easy and convenient. Bolts right on. Used to like secure down straps if you need to hook a strap on it or a chain or whatever you need. It's always good to have right there. And we'll just measure it out real quick. So we're going to start with the hole sizes. They're square holes. And the hole size is going to be 0.37 inches for the holes, and they're spaced out. The holes are going to be spaced out, looks like 1.5 inches from center to center, and the depth on the pocket itself is going to be 1.5 inches, and the width of the pocket is going to be from inside to inside, it's going to be 2 7/8, or from outside to outside it's going to be 3 1/4. The overall length of this guy is going to be 6 7/8 inches long, and the width is going to be 2 5/8. Zinc plated, so it's not going to rust up, corrosion resistant, good to go. Always handy to have. If you need these, you can get them at trailerpartsunlimited.com or give us a call at 844-898-8687, or just stop by our distribution center here in Huntsville, Texas, and we'd love to help you out. Thanks for watching.